bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, hi, my name is Roma and welcome. And for my returning subscribers, hi guys, welcome back and thank you once again for tuning in. So for today's video, I am going to do my very first luxury brand gifts ideas that are retailed under 100 euros. So if you are interested, just stay tuned. Okay guys, so as you can see, I also dressed up for this video. So it's kind of like, a Christmas sweater. So I'm really in a very comfy attire. I don't know if this video will be long. Just in case, pause this video and then go ahead, make yourself a cup of tea or a cup of coffee or a cup of hot cocoa or milk or even a glass of wine too. So you can really relax, drink it while you're watching this video, okay? So like I have mentioned, this is the first time that I am doing this kind of video, and I was really inspired by the current season. So I was like, okay, let's make a video where I'll give you a list of luxury items that are currently on retail under 100 euros. And in this list, these are the items that I will, let's say they are forever gifts. So this is a selection of timeless gifts that will be treasured for years to come. So what I mean about that is, these are the items that not consumable goods. So these aren't, makeup or soaps or creams. So it won't be in this category. And due to that, it was really quite hard to find a luxury item that is retailed under 100 euros. But I did find some items, and it's actually a mix of different items that can be used daily. And of course, I am also happy to receive them for myself. So these are really my personal choices that I am ready to give, and I'm also happy to receive. And these are also a list of items that you can give for Christmas, hence this video, or you can also gift these items for birthdays or just because. This list also are the ones that normally you can buy either at the boutique or online. So every time I'm going to give you the specific item, I will give you the brand, I will show you the picture, what item I'm talking about, and all the details concerning that item, okay? So let's get on. So I am going to start with the luxury brand Louis Vuitton. So with Louis Vuitton, it was quite difficult for me to find something that is under 100 euros. Of course, there's the agenda refill, but I didn't want that. I want really something that, like I've mentioned earlier, timeless, so that you do not have to buy every year. And the only item that I have found is the travel books. Of course, you have the city guides and the travel books, but I prefer the travel books because they are more colorful. And then you have different, of course, cities, and you can find this under the art of living option and under the books and writing. And the travel books, you can find, I think, different cities such as, of course, Brussels, and then you also have Seoul, New York, Paris, Venice, Rome, and a lot more. So you can check the Louis Vuitton website, and you can also ask at the boutique. They also have some stocks there, so check with your CA or when you go inside the boutique what cities they have in stock. And this specific product cost 45 euros. So you can use it, or for the people who are going to give it to, they can use it as a coffee table book. And I think it's a really nice book as a decoration, and then at the same time, not just a simple decoration, you can also check and have pictures. And yeah, so that was the first item. So the second item, the luxury item, will be from Dior. So in here with Dior, I have managed to find some articles, items that are under 100 euros. The best thing with the Dior website is you can also sort the items by lowest price, starting from lowest price. So it was quite easy for me to find, the items that are under 100 euros. And in this case, the item that I have chosen is the one under the Maison objects, and it's actually the notebooks. So it's the hardcover notebooks, and you have really different types of notebooks that are, you have two sizes. I think you have the small and the large, and both of them in euros are under 100 euros. And you have different designs. It could be the Toile de Jus or limited editions. So you can even collect them as well. And the paper, they are either lined or just, blank paper. So it is really versatile, and I think it is something that really, timeless. Why? Because some people tend to use it just for decoration because the cover is really, really gorgeous. Dior, they really do this, very intricate and aesthetic decor, and with their notebooks, it's really nice. You can just even use it for decoration, or you can use it as what it should be used, as a notebook, or you can use it as a scrapbook as well. So I think that's a very nice gift. The notebook that is available this December of 2021, that one cost 60 euros. But you do have some that are 50 euros, and the big ones are 70 euros. So you can really have a wide range of choices. And of course, there are still other items and products at Dior that are under 100 euros. But what I chose for this video is the notebook hardcover. So the third item from the luxury brand will be from Hermes. So at Hermes, it's also a very nice online website, because like Dior, they also have the option to sort the items by lowest price, so ascending price. So with that, I have been able to find the items that are retailed under 100 euros, and the one that I have chosen is under the tableware, the Hermes table, and it is the square plate. So that is the one that is 7 × 7 centimeters, and they do have this in different lines, so you can check those out on the website. But just be careful though to really check also the description, because for example, they do have some other plates that are sold on the price under 100 euros, but they sell it by pair, so it means that you have to double the price. So for the one that I'm actually telling you about are really the square plates, the small one, and they really range from 60 to 90 euros, so under 100 euros price point. It's just a bit of a hassle on the Hermes website because they only put the items they have in stock, but you can always go to the boutique and ask your SA if they have the petit carré available, and they can show you what they have at the boutique. And yeah, so that was the item that I have chosen for the house brand Hermes, because I think the petit carré, you can really use it, of course, as a tableware, so for sauces and everything, but you can also use it as a decoration, as a trinket, for example, trinket tray, where you can put your jewelries. For example, you can put it on your bedside table, and then you take off your jewelries, you put it on. So it's a very nice decorative piece that can be used as a decoration, trinket tray, or even as it should be a soy sauce dish. So now for the fourth item, and this item is from the house brand, the luxury house brand Chanel. So Chanel, unlike Dior and Hermes, it doesn't have this possibility to sort the prices like at Louis Vuitton. It's not possible to sort the prices as well when you go online. So I had to check every pages, and the only item that I found is the under the makeup. I know, I told you earlier I'm not going to give you a makeup product, but this one is not a makeup. It's under the makeup link, and then under brushes and accessories, and then under other accessories, and that is the mirror duo. So the miroir double facette. So the double mirror that retails for 33 euros. So what I like about this is that it's really slim, handy, and you can bring it with you everywhere. So you can either leave it at home, so just, you know, a small doubled mirror on your desk, or you can bring it with you when you go out, so you have a portable mirror. And it's very slim, very sleek, very aesthetic, and it's just, you know, the black with a Chanel logo in front. So for what it is and the price that it is retailed for, it's a very nice gift idea, and that was the one that I chose for Chanel. And now the last item in my list is an item that I found at this luxury brand, which is CELINE. So the one that I have found at CELINE, again, same thing as the website of Chanel and Louis Vuitton. You cannot scroll and have a sort by. So the only one that I found is under the collection Maison Céline, and it is the single playing card set. And this one retails for 90 euros. And what I liked about this item is that it's really very decorative, you know, with all the Celine monogram at the back of the card, and you can use it as a decorative piece, or you can use it when you have some friends around, play cards and such. So you can even bring it with you when you go outside and picnic and you would like to play cards. So it has really multiple ways to use it, and it's, yeah, very timeless gift that you can either just use at home or bring with you. And I also have one bonus item in the list, and this one is from the luxury house brand PRADA. And with PRADA, this is the only brand where I haven't bought anything yet. So the other brands that I've just mentioned, Louis Vuitton, Dior, Hermes, Chanel, Celine, on those 5 brands I already purchased something from them, either online or in the shop, in the boutique. But the Prada one, I haven't bought anything yet, either online or in the boutique. But I do have an item that I would like to acquire, purchase, and it will be mentioned on my wishlist 2022. So be sure that you are subscribing my channel, so once I upload that video, you will have a pop-up in the notification and you can check that video, okay? So like I've mentioned, this one is from Prada, and Prada is like Hermes and Dior, where there is a sort by, so I can sort the prices. And the one that I found is under the lifestyle accessories, and it's under sports and leisure. And this one is the stainless steel water bottle, and you have actually different sizes. You have the 350 ml, which costs 65 euros, and then you also have the 500 ml, which is 75 euros, and the expensive one, again 500 ml, which is 95 euros. I think the prices differs, of course, with the size, but also with the how it is decorated. So the one that I took for this list is the one with 350 ml, and I think it's very unique in a way that it's a common stainless steel water bottle, but with a touch of, luxury brand, just very simple and aesthetic, PRADA written at the bottom. And then you can also attach it if you have, a backpack, because there's a D-ring that you can attach. And then I think it's very ecological, because when you go outside, you don't have to buy water and in plastic bottles. You already have your bottle, you can just fill it out, and then you're good to go. So you have water with you, which is very advisable to drink at least a minimum of a bottle per day. And you can also use it at home, so it's really a versatile item that I think is very timeless, because it will really be with you for a long period of time. So there you go, guys, that was my video for my luxury brand gifts ideas under 100 euro. I hope it has helped some of you out there who want to gift their loved ones but do not want to crack the budget. And if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, because it will really help my channel. And if you have any feedbacks or suggestions or advices, you can put them in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to read them all and answer if I can. And until then, I hope you have a great holiday season this year. I hope that everything went well this year. I hope you'll enjoy the festivities, and I just hope that you'll all stay safe, and I hope to see you on the next video. Until then, wishing you all a Merry Christmas, and until then, take care. Bye!